you seen many of us keep on justifying our anger by saying statement like this, that I was right and he was wrong in his behavior, in his deeds, so I'm totally justified by becoming angry with that person. As his behavior was rude, boorish, he was wrong, so I became angry and I'm totally justified in that because I am right. Even if we are right, there is no reason to be angry with the person whom we consider to be wrong. And why? Because wrong and right, good and bad, they're very relative concepts, they're very relative terms. Just like the steps of ladder, we can see at one point the other steps are above us, and at one point the other steps are below us. So we need to think like this. I would give you one example, one beautiful example. How would you say about that person who has never hit anybody? Would you say this person is good or bad? Obviously we all would say yes, this person is good as he has never hit anyone. Obviously this person is good as compared to the person who has hit somebody. For that person, this person is good, who has never hit anybody. But someone who is seeing better than me, whose perception of seeing is better than me, who can see things above me, above the ladder, he would say there is a person who hasn't hit anybody and even never shouts at anybody. Now, would you say the person who has never hit anybody bad or wrong? Or you would say the person who never hit anybody is good, but the person who who never shout at anybody is more good? And what would you say to the person who even don't shout and never had any negative thoughts or negative feeling towards anyone? You would say he's much better than the person who never shouts. So are you seeing the steps of the ladder? No one is right or wrong. We all are much right or much wronger. So as we plead for mercy to the God for becoming better, for suppose I never hit anyone, but I shout, and for me, the person who are above me are the person who never had any negative feeling, who never shout at anyone. So I may be not that much correct, not that much right. If I want to be like that, if I want mercy of that above persons, if I want that they should also not become angry with me, they should also not label me wrong, so I should also not label that person wrong who is below me, whose deed is much wronger than me. If I'm slightly righter than him, I have no right to condemn that person. I have no right to become angry with that person. I should forgive him. Then only I could become a better person. We all should try. Goodness is in gradation. So we should always see the person upward us. There is always a chance to become more better, more better. So we should learn from this. Even if we're right, we should not become angry with the person who are wrong, whose deeds are wrong. We should not condemn them, criticize them. We should forgive them for their deeds, and we should always try to become more better. Thank you.